ba lahat ng group 1? Or may kulang? Okay, for group 2, Balisong, Bugarin, Calma, Campitan, Credo, Dignos, Eligado, Estanislao, Espirito, Guzman, Layes, Manalo, Mariano, Motus, Pacheco, Kinanahan, Rabino, Refugio, Rivera, Romero, Salud, Tolentino, Teñaha, Tubaye, Vinduan, and Yamuta. Okay? So, sino po ang gustong mag-take ng leadership task for group 1? Okay, Tenaha. Tenaha for group 2. Right? Okay? Tama po, Tenaha for group 2. And then group Viray for group 1. Okay, thank you so much, Viray and Tenaha. Alright. Viray and Tenaha, I want you to choose. Okay, kailangan ready kayo ha. You have to choose po numbers 1 to 4. 2 numbers from numbers 1 to 4. Okay, go. Pili kayo ng number from 1 to 4. Dalawang number po doon. Tig-dalawa kayo. Okay. Group 1, Viray, ay 1 and 2. So, meaning, kay Tenaha po sa group 2, matitira ang 3 and 4. Okay sa'yo, Tenaha? Okay. Alright, Bren and Mariel. And to everybody, so your leader will be, for group 1 is si Mariel. And then, for group 2 is si Tenaha. Okay? Okay po ba yun sa mga groupmates? Maliwanag? Okay, thank you so much. So, this activity is, will test also your decision making. So, what will be your decision as a future healthcare? Sorry, Marie. Sorry na, Marie. Okay, Marie. Okay. All right. So, well, going back to our activity. So, this will test your understanding regarding the scenario and what will be your decision, what will be your action towards it, and your opinion. Okay? So, this is a group activity. So, meaning you have to discuss as a group. You have to talk about the scenario as a group. And give your own comments and give your own suggestion. If you're in the situation, for example, what would be your reaction and what would be your action towards it? Maliwanag ba yun? All clear? Okay. So with that, I would like to share the activity. So meaning, I prepare 4 cases. So meaning for group 1, you'll take the cases 1 and 2. Group 2 will take the cases 3 and 4. All clear po ba? Maliwanag yon? Alright, 1 and 2 cases for group 1 and 3 and 4 cases for group 2. Okay, so what is that cases all about, ma'am? Okay? So, since we discussed some of the ethical issues, ethical or medical ethics natin, so it's time for you to apply naman those topics or those subject matter to the activity. So, with that being said, okay, ano ko na lang ang desktop ko, i-share ko na lang. Okay? Nakikita po ba? Group, class, nakikita ang ating ano? Alright. So, for this activity, so this is a type written, no? Ibig sabihin, you have to submit this in a document form, Word form, or PDF form. So I will upload this sa LMS bago ko kayo i-closing today. And then, submission is mamaya ko sasabihin. So, this is gonna be a report activity. So, group report activity na isasubmit ninyo sa akin by na naka-paper form. And then, magpe-prepare kayo ng short presentation in a PowerPoint. And that will be the discussion na tatalakayin natin next meeting. So with this, so since our responsibilities as a medical professional is to make decision regarding patient across various settings, so we have to know also ano yung magiging approach natin. You as a student, what will be your approach towards those scenario? Okay? By applying or by remembering yung mga natakal natin na medical ethics appropriate to a scenario or in a dilemma. So since our goal naman or our duty or the moral duty of a medical practitioner is to promote the patient's well-being, avoid or reduce harm, and honor the values and preferences of the patient. So pumapasok dito yung the autonomy, the justice, fairness, veracity, beneficence, non-maleficence, etc. So those medical ethics appropriate to your profession, so you can able to apply it. Okay? To know also, ano yung naintindihan ninyo as a learners. Okay? Your awareness, the attitude, knowledge, moral reasoning, and how confident are you na to apply those medical ethics in a real life situation. Maliwanag po ba yon? Naintindihan? Okay. So now, we have this goal natin in ethics education, no? To appreciate the ethical dimensions ng patient care, to understand ethical principles of medical profession. What else? Competence in the core ethical behavioral skills. Yan, obtaining informed consent, assessing decision-making capacity, discussing resuscitation status and use of life-sustaining treatments, advanced care planning, breaking bad news, and effective communication. We also have to know the commonly encountered ethical issues in general in one specialty. So, to have competence in analyzing and resolving ethical problems and to appreciate the cultural diversity and its impact to ethics. Now, the application principle ethics in patient care. So we have the basic, you're in beneficence, non-maleficence, respect to autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, respect to autonomy, and distribute the justice. So what would be the goal here or ano yung gagawin natin? You have to use this model, no? The medical professional which can be able to identify the principles that are in conflict as ascertained by weighing and balancing what should prevail, what would be the decision towards that scenario. When in doubt, turn to ethics literature and expert opinion. Okay? Did you get it? Nakuha po natin yon, nakasabay naman. Leaders, naintindihan? Alright, so what will be the activity? Okay, ano yung magiging activity natin? So again, group 1, 1 and 2 cases. Group 3 will take the 3 and 4 cases. Okay? Now for your activity, so we have here, how can I? Okay. Okay. So here we have case 1, case 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So the submission will be on March 26. So you have to upload it in LMS. Di ba na-reply naman na tayo ay LMS? Nakapag-attach pa kayo forward or do I have to make file ulit na doon kayo mag-upload or folder na doon kayo mag-upload. Tama ba? Or when I upload this file, maka-reply kayo doon by file din or hindi na? Anybody? I'm not sure kasi if another folder. Okay, so I have to provide the folder for submission. Okay, thank you, Jay. So now your group 1, so this is an illustrative cases report and comment. So meaning per cases, there is follow-up questions, no, na provided po si ma'am and discussions. So pwede niyo to i-discuss sa group mates nyo and consolidate all their opinions and answer towards it and give your answer as a group. Okay? Same also to case number 2. Ayan, may mga group comments discussion din na provided dito kung ano yung mga sasagutin ninyo. For group 3, ganun din po. Case 3 and case 4. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Anong gagawin ninyo as a group? Now, the rest of the time ng meeting natin, I will give it to you to meet your group mates. Okay? Once I uploaded it today, i-upload ko rin po ito ngayon. So, iintayin nyo pong sabihin ko na na-upload ko na siya. Kasi, bibigyan ko kayo ng separate file. Each group. Para po hindi kayo malito. Okay, I will give the activity for group 1 and for group 1 para sa case 1